In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Windows Defender on laptop or PC. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to launch your Windows settings. So in order to do that, you will go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for settings. Then open settings. Then go to update and security. Then go to Windows security. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then this Windows security pop-up will appear on your screen. So you need to scroll down a little bit. Then under virus and threat protection settings, you will see that Windows Defender is not turned on. So just click on turn on. Then click on yes. Then once you've done that, you will click on manage settings. Then ensure that this button is turned on. Then you scroll down a little bit. Then under cloud delivered protection, ensure that you have turned on this button. Click on it to turn it on. Then this pop-up will appear. Click on yes. Tamper protection, ensure that this button also is turned on. Click on it to turn it on. So once you've done that, your Windows Defender will be turned on. Now if you go back, you will see that now the virus and threat protection settings has been checked. So that shows that the Windows Defender has been turned on. So that's really it, guys. That's how to turn on Windows Defender on laptop or PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.